friend. You learn A word and E words and I word. Oh, some of you are telling, but you didn't taught us only and all, no? Okay, let's learn today, okay? Okay, can you read this for me? Okay, let's read it together. Let's learn I words today. B-I-D, bid. D-I-D, did. L-I-D, lid. Rid. P-I-N, pin. D-in, din. B-I-N, bin. B-I-N, pin. V-in, win. D-I-P, dip. H-I-P, hip. L-I-P, lip. N-I-P, nip. Z-I-P, zip. Last more to go, friends. P-I, fit. L-I, lid. B-I, big.